From game-changing weaponry to high-tech defense systems, these innovations are not only transforming modern warfare, but are also shaping the future of defense. In this video, we'll explore the world's greatest military technologies that are taking the battlefield to a whole new level. So, grab your gear and let's get started. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. RPG. China's latest crime-fighting innovation is one that is making heads turn and looks like a character from a sci-fi novel. This AI-powered spherical police robot not only stops crime, but somehow detects it too. These bot beasts have actually been spotted on the streets of China alongside human cops. The spherical robot can operate both on land and water, besides being able to withstand rough terrains and mud with ease. Capable of withstanding impact damage, thwarting attempts by criminals to disable or destroy them. They will also use facial recognition to detect criminals known to police. Further, it can alert law enforcement or autonomously immobilize suspects using a built-in net gun. It is also equipped with other non-lethal gear including tear gas sprayers, some grenades, loudspeakers, and sound wave dispersal devices, ensuring adaptability in various scenarios. Behold, the Bell V-280 Valor is an advanced tiltrotor military aircraft designed as a next-generation replacement for the iconic Black Hawk. The V-280 combines the speed of a fixed-wing aircraft with the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter. Unlike traditional helicopters, the V-280's rotors tilt forward for high-speed flight, allowing it to reach speeds over 300 miles per hour, nearly twice as fast as conventional helicopters. The aircraft has a combat range of 500 to 800 nautical miles, making it ideal for long-range assault, troop transport, and special operations. Designed to carry up to 14 troops, the aircraft is built to transport soldiers and equipment efficiently. The V-280 features advanced materials, fly-by-wire technology, and defensive systems to enhance survivability in combat zones. The AFRL Mutant is an advanced morphing missile technology developed to enhance missile agility and accuracy through adaptive, shape-shifting nose technology. Unlike conventional missiles, the Mutant features a pivoting nose that can dynamically adjust mid-flight, improving maneuverability and targeting precision. The ability to redirect its nose in real time allows the missile to counter high-speed, evasive targets such as hypersonic weapons, aircraft, and missiles. By reducing reliance on full-body movement for course corrections, the Mutant improves energy efficiency, meaning it can maintain higher speeds and longer ranges. The ability to make sharp turns at high speeds allows the missile to defeat advanced enemy countermeasures and highly mobile targets. The Onyx V-60 is an advanced quadrupedal robot dog developed to enhance its operational capabilities across diverse environments. The V-60 can operate both on land and in water, enabling seamless transitions between terrains. The V-60's vest enhances maritime mobility by providing flotation capabilities, which transforms the V-60 into a fully amphibious robot capable of swimming. The Sentry system allows the V-60 to be outfitted with remotely operated weaponry, providing advanced defense and security functionalities. Able to carry up to 22 pounds, making it suitable for tasks such as equipment transport and surveillance operations. The V-60's architecture supports various payloads, including collaborative robotic arms, enhancing its versatility in field applications. Orwell the Hexapod Robot. Orwell is a custom-built six-legged robotic platform. Designed to emulate insect-like movement, Orwell showcases advanced locomotion capabilities, allowing it to navigate various terrains with stability and adaptability. Its hexapod configuration allows for advanced locomotion, making it suitable for various applications, including military operations. Equipped with sensors and cameras, Orwell can conduct stealthy reconnaissance missions in hostile territories, providing real-time intelligence without risking human lives. The robot's dexterity and stability enable it to handle hazardous materials and disarm explosives remotely, enhancing the safety and effectiveness of EOD personnel. Inspired by social insects, multiple Orwell units can operate collaboratively, mimicking swarm behavior to efficiently cover large areas and adapt to dynamic environments. The Kaplan Hybrid is an advanced hybrid-powered armored combat vehicle designed for modern battlefield operations. This next-generation vehicle combines traditional diesel power with an electric propulsion system, offering enhanced mobility, efficiency, and reduced acoustic and thermal signatures for stealthier operations. The hybrid propulsion system utilizes both a diesel engine and an electric motor, allowing for increased fuel efficiency and silent operation in electric mode. The electric mode minimizes noise and heat emissions, making it harder for enemy forces to detect. Improved agility and acceleration, making it suitable for both urban warfare and rough terrain. Features modular armor, active protection systems, and high-tech situational awareness systems. Suitable for modern warfare, especially in crowded environments where stealth and mobility are crucial. A game-changer in modern warfare, grenade-dropping quadcopters are small, unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with modified release mechanisms to drop grenades, small bombs, or other explosive payloads on enemy targets. The drone pilot uses first-person view cameras to locate and drop the grenade precisely on enemy positions. The drone either returns to base for reloading or is used as a kamikaze UAV for a final attack. Currently in use by Ukraine in its war with Russia, this injured Russian soldier casually tosses away a grenade dropped by a drone as if he were throwing a rock. He looked into the eyes of the operator that he doesn't care about your weapon. As the grenade fell, he quickly threw it away and it exploded safely at a distance. The soldier remained calm and unfazed as there was nothing the drone operator could do. He was fortunate that the grenade had a delay fuse. Had it been impact fused, he would have had no time to react. The Panther KF-51 is a next-generation main battle tank developed by Rheinmetall, designed to push the limits of modern armored warfare. This cutting-edge tank represents the future of lethal, networked, and highly mobile combat vehicles. Equipped with a 130mm smoothbore cannon, which provides 50% more firepower than the traditional 120mm gun found on Leopard 2 tanks. Can fire programmable ammunition, APF-SDS rounds, and even guided missiles to engage various targets at extreme ranges. Features an automated loading system that increases firing rate and reduces crew workload. Uses Rheinmetall's Rosy Smoke system to disrupt enemy targeting. Equipped with hard-kill active protection systems to intercept incoming projectiles like anti-tank missiles and RPGs. Features 360-degree battlefield awareness with advanced sensors and AI-powered targeting. Designed to operate with a crew of 4, but can be reduced to 3 with automation. Endural's Lattice system is an AI-driven command and control network designed to provide real-time situational awareness, autonomous decision-making, and integrated defense capabilities for military and homeland security applications. Developed by Endural Industries, Lattice is a software ecosystem that connects, automates, and coordinates a variety of defense assets, including sensors, drones, ground systems, and countermeasures. Uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to process massive amounts of data from multiple sensors and sources in real time. Automates threat detection, tracking, and response, reducing human workload and increasing operational efficiency. Can identify and classify enemy drones, vehicles, aircraft, and personnel automatically. Suggests optimal countermeasures, including electronic warfare, interceptors, or kinetic attacks. It is a game-changer for future conflicts. The Drone Gun Mk4 is a compact, lightweight, and highly effective counter-unmanned aerial system weapon designed to neutralize rogue drones. This handheld drone jammer disrupts drone communication and GPS signals, forcing them to land safely or return to their operator, preventing potential threats from hostile UAVs. Weighs only 7 pounds, making it one of the lightest handheld counter-drone solutions. Can disable drones up to 0.3 miles away, depending on environmental conditions. Unlike traditional anti-drone systems, Drone Gun Mk4 does not physically destroy drones, reducing the risk of collateral damage. Ideal for crowded areas, military bases, airports, and VIP security zones. Whether in military combat zones, law enforcement operations, or high-security environments, this handheld jammer is a critical tool in modern anti-drone warfare. If you need something more powerful, the Drone Gun Tactical is a more powerful counter-drone weapon designed to neutralize hostile or unauthorized drones by jamming their communication and navigation signals. Unlike traditional anti-drone systems that rely on kinetic destruction, the drone gun tactical forces drones to land safely or return to their point of origin, minimizing collateral damage. Can disable drones from up to 1.24 miles away, making it effective for military and security applications. Jams the most common drone communication and control signals. Forces drones to land immediately or engage return-to-home mode, allowing authorities to track the drone operator. Disrupts real-time video transmission, preventing enemy reconnaissance. The drone gun tactical does not physically destroy drones, making it safe for use in crowded areas, airports, and urban settings. The Storm multi-purpose vehicle is an advanced, hybrid-powered, amphibious armored vehicle designed for versatile military and civilian applications. Built to navigate the harshest environments, the Storm MPV offers exceptional mobility, protection, and adaptability. Equipped with a watertight hull and an electric Hamilton water jet drive, the vehicle can transition seamlessly between land and water operations. It achieves speeds up to 87 miles per hour on land and 18 miles per hour in water, handling waves up to 5 feet. The Storm MPV is designed with the latest technologies in ballistic, improvised explosive device, IED, and mine blast protection, ensuring the safety of its occupants in high-threat environments. The Storm MPV represents a significant advancement in armored vehicle technology, combining hybrid propulsion with amphibious capabilities and autonomous operation to meet the evolving demands of modern defense and security operations. Like a weapon straight out of the Iron Man suit, the multiple kill vehicle was a missile defense program designed to neutralize multiple incoming warheads and decoys in a single engagement. Unlike traditional kill vehicles that target a single warhead, the MKVL was designed to carry and deploy multiple mini-kill vehicles, each capable of independently identifying, tracking, and destroying multiple threats. The mini-kill vehicles were equipped with divert and attitude control systems for precise maneuvering. Unfortunately, the project was closed, but we know what superhero used this idea. The GM6 Lynx is a lightweight, portable, and highly accurate anti-material rifle developed by GM6 in Hungary. The GM6 Lynx features a bullpup design, meaning the action and magazine are located behind the trigger, reducing the overall length of the rifle while maintaining barrel length. This provides improved maneuverability, especially in confined spaces or vehicles. It is designed for military and law enforcement use, capable of engaging both soft and hard targets, such as enemy vehicles, equipment, and fortified positions. Chambered for high-powered rounds, providing significant firepower for long-range engagements. Capable of engaging targets at distances of up to 1 mile or more. Despite its powerful ammunition, the GM6 is relatively light and compact for an anti-material rifle, weighing about 22 pounds. It features an integrated muzzle brake to further reduce recoil, making it more manageable for the shooter. The armored Polaris ATV LD-1 is a specialized, militarized version of the Polaris ATV, designed to offer enhanced protection and performance in hostile environments. It combines the mobility and versatility of the Polaris ATV with armor plating and other modifications to meet the demanding needs of military and tactical operations. The ATV features bullet-resistant windows to protect occupants from incoming gunfire. Also equipped with ballistic armor plating to protect against small arms fire, including rounds from rifles, pistols, and machine guns. The armor is designed to withstand 7.62mm rounds and other common battlefield projectiles. The ATV's armor provides protection from explosive blasts and shrapnel, such as fragments from grenades, mortar shells, or roadside bombs. It can maneuver easily through narrow spaces, steep inclines, and dense vegetation, making it ideal for tactical missions and rapid response situations. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Let me know in the comments which invention or technology impressed you the most. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.